Flow state is a peak mental mode where your focus, creativity, and output shoot through the roof. Most people stumble into it by chance, but imagine if you could switch it on at will. Now I'm going to show you the psychological tactics you can build right into your workflow. Flow state isn't just some theory, it's the hidden edge used by the world's top performers. Michael Jordan tapped into it during his iconic shrug game. Every shot smooth, his mind completely still. Elon Musk enters it during intense problem solving using focused, deep work. Mozart once said music would just appear in his mind, letting him compose endlessly as time slipped away. From elite athletes and world-class CEOs to legendary artists, they all access this state, yet nearly 99% of people never figure out how to trigger it on command. So how do you make flow something you can rely on rather than just hope for? Start by developing a flow ritual. That could be a particular song, some deep breathing, tidying your workspace, or doing a short warm-up task. All of these can serve as mental cues, but there are a few more steps needed to fully activate it. First, commit to just 10 minutes of deep, focused work. Flow tends to kick in around the 10 to 15 minute mark, but starting is always the hardest part. Cut off all distractions. Every ping or alert drags your brain out and resets your mental state. Music can help, but keep it to instrumental, binaural, or white noise. Lyrics hijack your brain's attention. Another key move: set a clear goal before diving in. Flow feeds off clarity. When your brain knows what the target is, it locks in more quickly and stays there longer. When you hit flow, hours can vanish and your work feels light and fluid. But be careful, it's fragile and easy to break. One major killer is overthinking. Flow is about action, not analysis. The more you second guess, the more you interrupt the rhythm. Another trap: perfectionism. Waiting for the perfect moment or obsessing over flawless output can block you from even starting. Not getting enough sleep silently sabotages you too. A tired brain can't enter flow. Fix your rest and your focus will follow. Don't forget hydration and food. Your brain burns energy fast, and it needs the right fuel to keep performing at its best. Once you lock in all these habits, flow won't just be a rare experience. You'll have the power to enter it whenever you need it.